Open the Mosaic tool. Read the help and the information pop-ups. Set the input rasters to Ned East PRJ and Ned West PRJ. Click the Browse button for the target raster and set it to Ned Lake PRJ. For the mosaic operator, use the Blend option to mix any overlapping areas. There is no color map, so leave the mosaic color map mode to the default. Set the no data value to no data. Keep the mosaicing tolerance set to 0 to force resampling rather than shifting. Click the Environments heading. Set the resample method at the bottom, not the pyramid one, to bilinear. Run the tool. Turn off all layers, except Ned Lake PRJ, the final product.